Hello again. Today we're getting ready to pour some more concrete. It's been a minute since I've seen you, so we're gonna have to show you all of our progress. So I got this square poured here. You saw that first one there poured. We got this one poured the other day. We're gonna pour this one here in a little bit. And we also got this poured up here. So it looks good. Kind of painted out where maybe the grass will go. Got to get approval from the boss first on that, but we got a bunch of stuff planted. Got all our flowers coming in. They're looking beautiful. We got our soaker hose running around, keeping it all wet. Just got to get it all finaled in here and starting to come together. The birds sure are loving it out here. Hi, birds. Can't quite see them. Maybe they're up there somewhere. Oh, I see that little guy. Can't find him in here. He is. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's on that leaf right there. Hi, bird. Oh, I see his butt. Hi, bird. Singing us a song today. Thanks. Thanks for the beautiful music. All right, back to the plants. So the planters are coming along really well. Well, we got it all ready to pour. Trace went to get the concrete. Gotta throw a chunk of expansion in there, make it better, and we'll be in good shape. Look at these guys go. We got about the perfect amount to get our gates open on it, so they will have no issues. Everything will slope kind of this way and that way. Slope out right there where that'll be the low spot. Should be awesome. Then once that's all poured, we'll pour all this, but not till we get gravel in. I'm still waiting on gravel. They didn't have enough to do it all, so once they get enough to do it all, then we'll get it all in, and then I can show you that. That's always an adventure. Look at that, we got her all down, we're looking good. Still got all the concrete noise going on in the background. So that's always a good thing, right? Just cleaning out the stuff. Looks beautiful, one. Trailer's getting cleaned out. I like it. All right. See how this one goes. I didn't even take pictures or video or anything when we poured this little chunk here or that slab up here, or that little sidewalk. It looks pretty good though, so I'll have to try to do better at filming. Looks beautiful, huh? Maybe, kind of, sort of. Sure it does. So wet. All right, now we wait. All right, my time-lapse battery died, so let's show you what we got going real quick. I got about half of it broomed. That side's all broomed till about right there, see? And that's still super wet, so when it's all said and done, I'll go over the whole thing again and call it good. Should be wonderful. We're done. Looks so good. I like it. There it is. All right, let's see how they're doing back here on the drips. See, they got them all in and tied in. It's gonna be so wonderful. All of these little flowers will be so pretty. I like it. I ended up taking the gate off because it was just in the way. All right, well, we'll keep you updated. Hopefully that gravel gets here soon. We can wrap a lot of this up. Bye-bye, birds. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.